Okay.
Okay.
Ah!
We're talking about Bob.
They're big.
Two are the D42.
Double D.
No, not double
Double
D.
D. Macy Sour was a double D.
Are you serious? Dude, no, she's not. My mom has bigger tits than her.
Macy's like 14.
My sister's boobs got bigger when she had her second kid. Because she got milk.
Okay, so this video is dedicated to this girl that I've been talking to on YouTube.
What's her name?
I think it's Sydney.
I'm gonna laugh.
I really hope it's Sydney. Because if I don't, then we're starting this thing over. But I knew you were stupid.
Caitlin's
Yeah, it's Sydney TT1. And then it's a video request that says, please
Wait, when did
read.
you fill in that hole?
Oh, says, please read the following questions out loud on your next video and answer these questions. Okay, ready? So we're going to answer these. Answer something.
I prefer.
Okay. It says,
If you suddenly grew to be 51,000 feet tall, explain how you might accidentally step on some people and what they'd see last when they looked up.
and it was that you stepped on them. Okay,
They would
so
see
let's-
my vagina.
I'd probably be like,
I'd be like,
whoa,
you gotta
they
watch
forgot
out.
to shave. I'd be like, is that the jungle, Mom? Be like, no, honey.
It's called pupae. You look at them.
Number 2. Why people you purposely want to step on
What
and how
people would you purposely want to step on, and how would you step on them with your giant bare foot? I would step on Hunter Wagoner. I'm just kidding.
I would step on Landon Farr. Just
No. Who is the girl with the red bow? What's her name?
Cassie or something.
I would step on her. Because she wanted to fight me.
Dude, I would like get like green jello and
Dude,
put it in between my toes.
I would go like
Be
this.
like,
I would step on her and
fungus.
smush. Like wear the same socks for like 4 weeks.
Or put like rotten eggs out and put them in your sauce.
My foot itches now that we're talking about it.
Dude, just go get a sock out of the boys' locker room.
Oh, dude, our
Any
boys'
of those
locker room
socks that have the
smells like
athlete's foot on them.
booty hole. Mommy, see your booty hole.
Let me see your booty hole.
Okay, number
3. Okay. Would you stomp on them completely flat into your giant footprint or grind them into the sole of your...
Grind them into the sole of my brain.
Yeah. I would grind them into the sole of my feet. And my feet's like this big.
Mine's not like...
Yeah, well, the computer's on my leg right now and it's really hitting me. You know where I want to go? Which time does Yoga Bowl close?
The Lobo?
The Yoga Bowl down the street, kind of nice.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
It's nice to live.
I don't know where to live.
Where'd you
Let
live?
me see your booty hole. Bop.
Here we go.
Oh, I hit my phone.
Alright.
Look, the ball. It has
Really?
glitter in it.
Where do you live? The giant footprints everywhere? And what part?
Okay, wait, are we on 4? Would you leave giant footprints everywhere, and why, and what would be smushed inside of those footprints, and why? Okay, she just asked the same question 3 times.
Yeah, I know, basically the same thing. Yeah, I was gonna use that to watch my face.
Or,
You would have been like chop my hair off like that.
dude, I did that when I was 3.
Dana. Dana? No, how I cut my hair.
Cut it. I cut it like a boy.
I had a bob cut.
Me too.
A bob.
Dude, me and my friend had experiments with scissors. Do not. Her name was Candy. Like spelled Candy. I know. I mean whatever. That's so insane. I have a pencil.
Okay, so we answered most of your questions. I'm sorry we didn't get to go through them all. But now we're gonna finish the video. I have to burp. Goodbye. But we're gonna listen to a song first.
Oh my
This is
god.
my jam. It's from my new favorite show.
Glee.
Glee.
Dude, I wanna get a huge burp.
It's better than Desperate Housewives. Dude.
Excuse me. I watched that show. I'm scared my mom was.
Did I watch that show? Oh, that was gross. That was gross. I'm sure you can't hear me right now, but read my lips.
Vagina.
I love how it stopped when you said that. Down girl.
The guy that sings this is really hot.
Do the boy part to the girl part. Do my part. Dude, Will Maltbraski, I'm gonna cover it up.
The best burpers in the world.
And they my nose got covered the same. Ready?
I counted Will burp for a whole minute straight.
Minute. A whole minute. Dude, my computer's like really slow.
I have fat
That was so funny. Why does it stop? Why does it always do that?
My arm itches, and I didn't know this.
Smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile that can chill the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the corridor.
I have spaghetti stuck on my chin.
It was really funny. It was like keep sticking down. It was ridiculous. I remember it was 4 years.
I'll probably
Quattro years.
Dude, I could burp.
Woo!
My tongue said,
So people
I usually just put it on. It's like a cool
Did you really shake your head?
Dude, give me a cool rub on my fridge.
I really forget my head. There's yogurt, Instagram, bars, water. Those secrets are really old. They've been in there's some cheese from Philly. Dude, I just love those cheese the other day. My dad stood in the car and got those cheese on his nose. I would go take us ice cream and stuff though.
Dude, you should have him.
Dad? After the song is playing.
I think you work on that too.
Okay. Except for Screamo. It's not. Or like Raw. A song I don't know.
It's my life.